Africa is a continent of dramatic contrasts, shaped by some of the most diverse and powerful landscapes on Earth. In the north stretches the vast Sahara Desert, an endless expanse of sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and shimmering heat. Moving south, the scenery shifts into the lush rainforests of Central Africa, filled with dense vegetation, tropical storms, and rich biodiversity. In the east, the Great Rift Valley forms deep lakes, steep escarpments, and impressive volcanoes, while the savannas of Kenya and Tanzania expand like golden oceans of grass. Mount Kilimanjaro rises above these plains with its snowy peak, creating a breathtaking view unmatched anywhere else. Southern Africa adds wide grasslands, rugged coastlines, and dramatic mountain ranges, completing a continent where each region feels like a completely different world. Africa's wildlife is one of its most iconic and celebrated treasures. The continent is home to elephants, lions, giraffes, rhinos, leopards, and countless other species that roam freely across national parks and reserves. The Serengeti and Masai Mara host the famous Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras move across the plains in a massive natural spectacle. Gorillas and chimpanzees live deep in the rainforests, while hippos, crocodiles, and exotic birds fill the rivers and wetlands. Safari tourism brings visitors from around the world to witness these animals in their natural habitats, yet Africa's wildlife remains under threat from poaching, habitat destruction, and climate change. Despite its natural richness, Africa struggles with widespread poverty. Many countries face challenges linked to historical exploitation, weak infrastructure, political instability, and limited access to clean water, electricity, and healthcare. In some regions, families live with minimal resources, relying on small-scale farming and long daily routines to secure basic needs. Education gaps, unemployment, and transportation difficulties further complicate life, especially in rural areas. However, technological innovation, such as mobile banking and improved internet access, along with investments in entrepreneurship and education, are beginning to open new possibilities for younger generations. Africa's cities reveal a modern, rapidly changing side of the continent. Major urban centers like Lagos, Nairobi, Johannesburg, Addis Ababa, and Cairo mix bustling markets, tall buildings, expanding highways, and vibrant cultural scenes. Music, fashion, business, and technology thrive in these cities, attracting millions of people in search of opportunity. Yet urban challenges such as traffic congestion, crowded neighborhoods, and economic inequality remain significant. Even so, African cities pulse with creativity and ambition. In contrast, Africa's villages offer a traditional lifestyle strongly connected to family, land, and culture. Many rural communities depend on farming, livestock, and local crafts. Daily life includes community gatherings, ceremonies, storytelling, and dances passed down through generations. While resources may be limited, village life is rich in social bonds and cultural identity. This balance between modern cities and traditional villages is a defining feature of Africa's spirit,